Hi sweets! How you guys doing today? So in this video, I'm gonna be reviewing a new product, and it is, drumroll, does this product require a drumroll? We're gonna find out though. It's the LA Girl Pro Concealer, no, Pro Coverage HD High Definition Longwear Illuminating Foundation. Wow, that's a long name. So it is the LA Girl Foundation, and you guys know that everybody and their mother use the LA Girl Concealer for everything. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a first impressions with you guys, for you guys, with you guys. So let's get into that video. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is moisturizing my skin, because my skin has been super dry lately. I'm going to be using the Neutrogena Daily Even Moisturizer. And I've never used this before, but the moisturizer that I use with my regular skincare routine is done, so I don't have it to use, which I guess is the reason why my skin's been so dry, like mad dry. And I want the foundation, I want the test to be a true judgment of the foundation and not, oh, my skin dry so it look terrible, you know. I'm a fair human being, you know. Okay, so foundation time. Now I got this in the color tan, and I actually did like a swatch on my face and it matched. I didn't feel like it was like, I didn't feel like it got my undertone perfectly, but the other two shades were just far off. So this is the one. So this is the packaging. It doesn't come in a box, anything like that. It just comes with like little strip away plastic for you to remove. No box, no fancy nothing. And then it's an open top, and it has a pump, which I personally like, because I feel like when I throw foundation on the back of my hand, I tend to waste a lot more. So it says it's supposed to give you medium to full coverage, and it's supposed to be smooth, long wearing, and a flawless looking finish. So let's see. So we're gonna pump this all over my face. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Nah, fam. Me impressed. Yeah, my skin looks like, I feel like it's halfway between dewy and matte. It's not like dewy, but ooh, like I feel cute, like I feel good looking. First impression is gorgeous. Like, the finish that this foundation gives is so nice, but my skin still looks like skin. It doesn't look like I have like a cake face or like a thick layer of foundation. And I can't speak to, it looks like medium coverage, but I guess I use like a light layer. I guess you'd use more pumps if you wanted full coverage, and then just layer it on. But I feel like I have medium coverage. You can't see any of the little spots on my face, not that I have that many. Come skin of one with beer things. But yeah, I feel like this color matched me perfectly. Like, this look like my skin, you know what I mean? Woo! Alright, LA girl, we see you. So what I'm gonna be doing is putting on my regular face routine to see how well it holds up with other things. Like, I really like this foundation. I really like the finish it gives my skin. And when I put on all the other products, it didn't cake up, it didn't, I feel like I look gorgeous. Like, you know, when your skin just looks smooth and silky, that's how I feel. Like, I just feel flawless. And that's because of the foundation, because once I put that on, I'm just like, oh child. So I give this foundation a big thumbs up. I will be inserting pictures at the end of this to show you guys what it looks like a couple hours after, so then we can test the long wear aspect that it claims to have. This foundation is super cheap. I got it in Jamaica at Beauty Warehouse, which is on Orange Street in downtown Kingston. And you can also get it online if you know you're not Jamaican. And $10. I'll put the links below so that you can just go to them and see, you know, which one you want to, wherever you'd like to purchase it. So I'll help you guys out like that. So guys, really hope you enjoyed watching this, and I'll see you in my next upload.